In this video, I'll show you how to change your TELUS Wi-Fi password. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open your TELUS Connect app. Of course, if you don't have it, make sure to install it and then open it up. You can log in using your TELUS account and then you will find yourself on devices, overview, support, wherever you find yourself. All you need to do is just go and click on the network tab. Once you click on network, as you can see, you'll find here your network. So just click on the modem that's appeared there, and or you can just find the Wi-Fi example that you wish to change the password of. Tap on the pencil icon. As you can see here, I do have a Wi-Fi, the name, and the password. You can view the password, or you can click on the pen icon. Once you click on that pen icon, you should find yourself here in the network tab. And as you can see here, you can change both the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Changes both, change the password alone, change the name alone, do whatever you want. So enter your new Wi-Fi password and make sure it's a secured password, not easy to find, like 1228 or 128 or something like that, or 129. And once you do so, you'll have to know that changing your Wi-Fi name and or password will require you to connect on all your Wi-Fi devices using the new credentials again. If you're connected on your PC, your phone, you'll have to connect again using the new password. So keep it in mind at least once to log in it again into your app. So click on save and your devices should be disconnected from the Wi-Fi. You can now just go and reconnect your devices using the new password and you should be good to go. Of course, you can change the password through the router settings in older routers or TELUS routers. Basically, where you'll have to go to your browser and go to the IP, which is 192.168.1.254. You'll have to log into your router using admin or basically the username and password behind your router and change the Wi-Fi in like password from there. You can go to settings, you can find your Wi-Fi and change it from there. But normally, like very small amount of people that has the old routers that requires that, but it's still a thing, and you may find a lot of helpful videos on YouTube on how to do that as well. And as I said, it's pretty easy. You need just to go to the website itself. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.